What is it?
What's that, Daddy?
What is that?
Dad.
Let's open it up.
The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Daddy.
That's a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse book? Who's in here?
Wow. Whoa. Wow.
Who is that?
Piglet.
Yeah, did Oma send you a piglet? What do you say? Jeez. You give Piglet a hug. Say thank you, Oma.
Thank you, Oma.
Alright, look at the camera. Here, look at me.
Piglet. Piglet.
Here, look at Daddy. Catherine.
No, that's
Say cheese.
Tinkerbell.
Yeah, it's Tinkerbell.
That Tinkerbell.
Here, look at me. Say thank you, Oma.
Thank you, Oma.
Say love you, Oma.
Love you, Oma.
See you soon.
Yes, you.
Thanks for Piglet.
Thank you. It's Minnie.
Alright, thanks, Oma.